So bawas alinsangan lalo. I felt cool and dry the entire night. Tulo-laway talaga yung sarap ng tulog ko. I planned on testing lang for the first night pero di ko talaga napigilan makatulog sa mattress na to. Starting at 20,525 for the Diamond Hybrid mattress, Emma Sleep offers a lot for its price. Di naman siya super mura pero sulit kasi yung bayad mo with all the features. They also offer more affordable versions, so make sure to check out their website. Emma Air starts at 9,000 pesos, samantalang yung Emma Original 2.0 naman starts at 16,925. Kapag ninyo nagustuhan, pwede nyo siyang ibalik after 100 nights, pero very unlikely talaga to kasi ganda ng kama na to. Meron pa siyang 10-year warranty and then free shipping nationwide. So bumili na kayo sa website niya, pero syempre before kayo bumili, use my code to get an additional 10% off. Diba? Mas lalo pang sulit yung Emma Sleep mattress nyo. Yan ang masasabi ko para sa Emma Sleep Diamond Hybrid mattress. Deserve niya naman yung hype niya. Ako si Alvin. Ingat!